Achieving financial freedom through passive income isn't just a dream, it's a journey I've experienced firsthand. It takes dedication, strategy, and the willingness to think long-term. Here's how I built streams of passive income that allowed me to reclaim my time and live life on my terms. Step 1. Define your financial freedom goal. The first step was clarity. I calculated the amount I needed monthly to cover my expenses without actively working. My approach: I tracked my spending for 3 months to get an accurate picture of my financial needs and future goals. Why it matters: knowing your freedom number gives you a clear target to aim for, whether it's $3,000 or $10,000 per month. Step 2. Start small with dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks became my entry point into passive income. I researched companies with a strong history of consistent payouts. My portfolio: I started with companies in industries like utilities and consumer goods that offer stable high dividends. Why it worked: dividends provided quarterly income while allowing the stock value to grow. Reinvesting dividends compounded my returns over time. Step 3. Invest in real estate for monthly cash flow. Real estate became a game changer. I bought rental properties in growing markets that offered good returns. My first property: I purchased a duplex, rented out one unit, and lived in the other, cutting living expenses while generating rental income. Why it's powerful: real estate not only builds wealth but also generates reliable cash flow that covers recurring expenses. Step 4. Launch digital products. To create scalable income, I ventured into digital products. These included online courses, ebooks, and templates related to skills I'd mastered. What I created: my first course taught budgeting basics, a topic I was passionate about. It became a steady income source. Why it's scalable: digital products require upfront effort but continue generating income indefinitely with little maintenance. Step 5. Automate income with peer-to-peer lending and rights. I diversified further with hands-off investment options. Platforms for peer-to-peer lending and rights, real estate investment trusts, allowed me to invest with minimal effort. How I did it: allocating funds to P2P loans yielded interest payments, while rights provided regular dividends. Why it worked: these investments added variety and lowered risk by spreading income sources. Key habits that fueled success: consistency and reinvestment were critical. Every dollar earned from passive income streams went back into growing those streams. Additionally, I avoided lifestyle inflation, living modestly even as my income increased. The results: within 5 years, I replaced my active income with passive sources, covering all my expenses. Today, I focus on what matters most: spending time with loved ones and pursuing my passions, without worrying about bills. Your journey starts now. Building passive income takes time, but it's worth every effort. Start with what you can, reinvest your earnings, and diversify your income streams. Financial freedom is achievable, one step at a time.